Hi, I'm Ashley, and this is my partner Jennifer. And today we're doing a project that's called
volcano explosion. So it's a volcano matches, as you can see right there. We use matches to do a former volcano. We did a smaller one because the big one it's gonna explode too much, so that's why we did a small one.
This volcano we made out of matches. How much matches did we use?
Like half of 6,000.
Half of 6,000, and it took 3 hours to do this.
And we use a lot of hot glue. You need a lot of hot glue. You can see right here, we cut some matches in half. We just left the red part where you put it, and we put it inside.
That's why it could erupt. That's why it makes actually an explosion like a real volcano.
So I'm scared.
Hey.
Let's go. Just telling you, if it doesn't turn off, put a water beside you just in case it doesn't turn off, because the explosion is gonna be big. But we don't know this one, so I don't know what's gonna happen. And be careful, don't do this at home. And you need a dog to be next to you because
supervise you. That's why.
Because it's gonna be a big explosion.
And to help you to do this. Like Jennifer's mom helped us do this volcano.
She helped us with fixing it a little bit.
Yeah, and she did this so that we could be like safe. That's why.
In the video, it shows matches being here in a line to do it, to explode it, but it didn't work. So we're gonna do it
on the top.
On the top with this.
So are you ready?
Oh yeah.
Can I help us?
So we're not gonna explode it. So I'm scared.
That did not work.
Sorry.
Scared. Oh my god. Take it. It's not happening.
Let's do it.
Come on, get back. Let's move around. No, please don't fire, please.
It's doing it.
If it works. Oh my god. Get back. The first one that we actually did, when we did it, it didn't work because some science experiments don't work in the first time. So now we actually changed it up a little bit. So
Fixed it a little bit, so we're gonna try now.
that did not work.
Turn off really fast. Ooh.
Oh.
did work. Oh my god, it did work. You didn't notice this?
This is actually a big explosion, and probably in the camera it doesn't look like big, but in
It
real
was
life
tall.
it was really tall, and it actually got warm.
And like in the other video, it exploded bigger, but we want to do small because it's gonna be so much.
Fire's gonna go.
But look, it was really good. So thank you for watching. Like this video, and you wanna see more videos like this?
Yeah, hit the notification. Bye.
Bye.